Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So we're going to continue to look at the commemorative $2 coins, and today we're looking at the 2018 Armistice coin, which is actually the Remembrance coin. So it would have come out around November in 2018. So this is the C mint marked coin, so we'll have a look at that one first. And this comes packaged in this little folder here, and we'll just have a little look at this, and we'll just see what this Armistice Day is all about. So it says here, at the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month, Australians pause to remember the fallen in war. Since 1919, 11 November has been referred to as Armistice Day. It commemorates the anniversary of the 1980 armistice that brought an end to the First World War. After the Second World War, the title was changed to Remembrance Day in honour of all who died in wars and armed conflict. So, yeah, there's something I didn't know, that they actually changed the name from Armistice Day to Remembrance Day. So let's have a look at the actual coin. So this is it here. This is the C mint mark coin, and if we look to the left of the one, we will see the C. So C mint marked for Canberra. This particular coin has a mintage. The C mint marked version has a mintage of 40,000, according to the back of this. But we always need to check the actual figures later on in the year to see whether or not they actually made 40,000 of them. But there is the opposite side there. It's got a bit of dust on there. Yeah, quite a nice coin. Not a bad design, but still very much worth collecting and finding. Now, I was very generously given some of these coins. So John, one of our regular viewers to the channel, he knew that I hadn't found either of these two coins when I've been noodling, and so he very generously sent me these coins here. And it wasn't until recently that I actually found one of the Eternal Flame coins, and I still haven't found any of these 100 years of Armistice coins. So he sent me 5 of each. So thanks very much, John. And they're both from 2018. So the Eternal Flame one is the Anzac one, and the Armistice one is the Remembrance Day coin. So yeah, I was quite happy to receive those in the mail, so thanks very much. These guys also were available from the mint in bags, so before they cut all that off. Here that we have the 5 coin bags, and these particular bags, they sell for around the $22 including postage, currently on eBay. So they're fairly readily available. So if you don't have any, maybe you could put some money aside and grab some of those. The individual coins in uncirculated condition sell for around the $5 to $6 including postage. This particular coin can be picked up fairly cheap for around the $15 mark. Should get you one of these, so possibly even a little bit cheaper. But for $15, well worth getting the C mint marked coin, being a very low minted coin. The mint also produced these coins in mint papered rolls, and they would have been released usually a buy it now price of around $99.95, I think, somewhere in that, through dealers. They're currently still selling for around that sort of price range. I have seen some recently sell for upward of around $140 plus. So price does vary if you've got the dollars and like collecting rolls, well worth getting yourself a roll. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. The subscription, if you haven't subscribed, there should be a subscription button up on the screen, and if you like to know when my videos go up, hit the bell and you'll be notified. Alright guys, look forward to bringing another video to you soon. Thanks for watching.